Have you ever wondered why your Korean friends giggle when you say thank you? Well, grab your coffee cups because we're about to brew a delightful blend of Korean politeness. You'll learn 5 levels of expressions to amaze your Korean friends. Politeness Level 1. Imagine you're at a cozy cafe, and your friend treats you to a cup of coffee. How would you casually say thank you in Korean?
고마워.
Just like adding a pinch of sugar to your coffee, this expression adds a touch of sweetness to your gratitude. Politeness Level 2. Now, let's say you're thanking your colleague for helping you with a project. Which phrase would you use?
고마워요.
Like stirring in a little more sugar, this expression shows a tad more formality. Politeness Level 3. Picture this: you receive a thoughtful gift from your neighbor. How do you express your gratitude?
고맙습니다.
Just like adding a heaping spoonful of sugar, this phrase conveys deeper appreciation within a more personal or intimate context. Politeness Level 4. You, a young student, have just been awarded a scholarship by an elderly chairman of a foundation. How do you express your gratitude?
감사합니다.
This expression is like sipping a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, smooth, warm, and respectful. It's the ideal phrase for speaking to someone older or in a higher position, or even someone you've just met. It's a versatile expression, often heard in Korean dramas, perfect for a range of social situations where politeness is key. Politeness Level 5. Lastly, imagine you're in a K-drama, surrounded by courtiers and velvet robes. How would you show your gratitude to the king or queen?
성은이 망극하옵니다.
It's an expression suitable for a king or queen in a historical drama. In a casual setting with friends, using such a formal expression might be seen as humorous or overly dramatic. Your friends might laugh or play along with the formality of the situation, but they would understand that you're expressing a deep level of thanks, perhaps in a playful or exaggerated manner. Have you noticed? The longer the expression, the higher the formality level climbs.
고마워. 고마워요. 고맙습니다. 감사합니다. 성은이 망극하옵니다.
Each step up adds a touch more respect. Go ahead, try them out and enjoy the nuances of these expressions.